Imagine harnessing the endless energy of the sun, that yellow orb in the sky which has been the lifeline of our planet for millennia. This is not a dream from a sci fi movie, but a reality that's more than possible to achieve today. Welcome to Sunshine Savings Install Solar for a Greener Tomorrow. In this segment, we demystify the process of powering your abode with solar cells, generating energy that lights up your home while keeping our Earth green. Against the backdrop of a time lapse sunrise, we guide you, step by exciting step, through the process of installing solar panels on your roof, complete with clear, simple instructions and mouth dropping real time transformations. And it does not just end at that. We show you how, with each passing day, you are not only able to slash your electricity bills, but also play your part in reducing the carbon footprint substantially. The power to shape the future of our planet and save on your energy costs rests on your rooftops.